Hi there. In today's video we will learn how to fix Windows 11 Cumulative Update won't install or download in your PC. So firstly, what you need to do is to check Troubleshoot settings. Run Windows Update. It could detect the issue but is not yet resolved. So, let's do it. Come to CMD. Open it as administrator. Simply paste the command. It's also there in the description. Press enter. It will start checking the system and troubleshoot the error. It's successfully completed. Now again type the command shown. It will also be in the description. Your whole system is being scanned. It's also completed. Now simply restart your PC. Now, the cumulative update will surely work in your PC. Let me know further in the comment box. Subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.